Kanina pa eh. Hindi naman lahat, ilan ang hinuli ngayong araw na to, sir? Sa iba-ibang mga krimen. Ilan ang binigyan ng ganitong...
Kasi nandito kayo lahat eh. Nag-iisang tao.
Ilan ang binigyan ng
Nag-iisang
ganitong...
tao. Dami krimen sa labas.
Siya lang
Nandito
sa
kayo.
namin.
Sir, hindi kami
Sir,
humingi ng
please
pabor.
naman.
Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Attorney, you will be
That's
referred.
precisely the point that I'm saying.
Ano
That's
yung naman
precisely
yan? Huwag kayo mag-ano, kayo, please lang, bawal hawakan.
Attorney, you will be removed.
Bawal hawakan! Bawal hawakan. Tumayo ka na lang. Bawal
The right to
hawakan.
counsel is something that has to be observed
Right to counsel.
and
Huwag
respected.
kayong umawak. Huwag kayong pakialam sa kanila.
Kasi nga, nag-uusap
Ano ano yung lawyer?
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Huwag na tayo.
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Huwag mo hawakan yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan.
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Sabi na yung mga kulit natin guys, kayo na lang ang humusga.
Attorney, please.
Huwag mo hawakan.
Is this what you want? Is this what you want, Mr. President?
Huwag mo hawakan. Time lang eh. Time.
Tingin nyo guys, professional pa ba mataesto yung ganyang style na pag-aresto? Wala man lang due
Yung mga
process.
sundalo, tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko?
Okay, dito sa video nakikita na si General Torre hinihila yung abogado. Standard procedure po ba ito ng PNP? Bakit mo kinakaladkad yung abogado? Hindi ba karapatan ng isang akusado, arestado na magkaroon ng abogado? Bakit ayaw ninyong palapitin yung abogado?
Gabi na ho yan, ma'am. That's already the time that I'm forcing everyone to board the plane. I'm already forcing the former president to board the plane, ma'am. Tapos na yung napakarami ng optics sa kanilang ginawa dyan, ma'am. And
Interesting use po of force. You were forcing them.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
admit you forced them. You
I
used
have to.
violence.
Grabe
I
yung
have
polis
to
na
because
to,
they
hindi man lang
won't,
nag-iisip.
they won't go with us
Yung presidente galing
voluntarily, ma'am. So
Hong
I
Kong.
have tried all the
Kakauwi lang sa Pilipinas, tapos
lahat ng pakiusap
inaresto
ay
niya
ginawa
lang.
General
namin
naman,
buong
sa
araw.
dinami-dami ng pulis,
mamadaliin
ang
pa
tanda-tanda
madalin
na,
sa
may sakit pa.
dahil-
Sa palagay mo, masisindak pa yun, o kaya bang lumaban nun?
In fairness to the
Grabe.
President, ma'am, after I handcuffed E.S. Mijaldea and told Attorney Delgado that he's the next one to be handcuffed and boarded on the bus, the former President actually acceded and said, sige na, alis na tayo. And you saw that on video.
Well,
It was
nakita namin,
Romy.
di ba, hinihila mo yung upuan. Hindi ba dapat, talagang General Torre, kailangan makinig ka doon sa sinasabi ng abogado? Di ba karapatan nun?
I have already arrested, I even arrested E.S. Mijaldea, ma'am, for
Para
obstruction of
din
justice
siyang
and placed
lawyer,
handcuffs on him.
mga
That was already
kaboards.
the last parts because
Kasi hindi
masyado
na siya
ng gabi,
nakikinig sa
abutin na
mga
kami ng
lawyer.
umaga din, ma'am. It's
Ilang
already
oras na?
unreasonable.
2 oras pa lang. Ikalalanding lang ng Hong Kong ng alas 10, alas
12
12
hours.
pa lang to.
12 hours, ma'am.
Kaya nga, anong oras to? Kasi
Mga
sabi
7
mo
o'clock na-
kanina, 10 o'clock
Mga 8 o'clock yan,
dumating.
ma'am. Yung kay Delgra.
O, anong oras na yun?
Mga 8 o'clock yan, ma'am.
Sa umaga na yan? Gabi.
7 o'clock, 8 o'clock ng gabi na yan, ma'am.
8
Si
a.m.
Delgra.
Ay, 8 p.m.
Yes,
Eh,
ma'am.
gano'ng katagal
Mga
na
8
yun?
o'clock daw, meaning wala
10 hours,
siyang
ma'am.
sure
9
kung anong
hours.
oras talaga.
Naka 9 to 10 hours na. So, sa
Ibang
palagay
klase.
mo, si former president had sufficient chance to challenge na the validity of the arrest. So, sinasabi ninyo na 9 to 10 hours na yan. Kasi nakuha niya yung warrant nung alas 12 mahigit, hating gabi lampas, ano? Tapos,
Tanghali, ma'am. Tanghali, ma'am. Niya nakuha ang
okay,
warrant.
tapos, tumagal pa sila ng ilang oras.
11 hours.
Ng 11 hours, sinasabi po ninyo.
Yes, ma'am. They attended to serve the warrant at when they disembarked. They asked that it be deferred until they reached 250. Upon reaching 250,
Inaresto
they
nila,
asked for
wala
some
man lang
refreshments and they
dalang
cooled
damit.
down. Upon being more
Sinabi
calm
na nga sa
and after
dating
conferring
presidente
with
sa
their
kanila
lawyers,
na
the warrant of
mag-iimbati
arrest
lang siya
was
sa bahay
served
tapos
in total,
sama
in
siya.
full,
Yun
and their
yung
rights
binigyan
were
ng
read.
pagkakataon.
So sa tingin ninyo, itong 9 to 10
Dito
hours
bumusok.
sapat na para
Baba
sa
kayo sa
isang
mga pulis na
pagkaraniwang
ganyang
tao
mag-isip.
na makakuha ng sariling abogado, tapos i-check yung kanyang warrant, pagkatapos mag-draft, mag-file ng maayos na petisyon ng habeas corpus. Ganun ba yun?
Ma'am, you must. I think the record showed that there were 3 lawyers with him in conference with him during the entire time. Attorney Delgra,
Paano
Attorney
makakapag-file yun? Gabing-gabi na, hindi naman
Ma'am,
court hours.
They had filed a case of a TRO with the Supreme Court. They tried their legal remedy. It was duly recorded, and there was no TRO given by the court, ma'am. So, ma'am, just to be clear, they had their chance to seek legal remedy, as shown by the actions of their lawyers by approaching the Supreme Court. So,
So, ang-
there was no due
Kaya
process
nasa
denied, ma'am.
Pilipinas, guys.
Siguro
Pilipinas,
sasabihin
guys.
ko at tatanungin ko kay Attorney Medina,
Dami ng
ang
buhaya.
ating
Dami ng
constitutionalist po rito.
Parang
Masasabi ba natin na nabigyan si
narco-politics
PRRD
na
ng
ngayon.
sapat na pagkakataon para alamin itong validity ng kanyang, yung katotohanan ng kanyang pag-aaresto? Ilang oras ba yung sinasabi natin na sufficient time, yung sapat na panahon?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Just to clarify, I will just be consistent with the opinion that I posted, that there was no reasonable opportunity. That is not to denigrate or cast aspersion on the character or competence of our officials. And also, I have very limited facts when I wrote the opinion. But just as a comparison, if you filed an extrajudicial proceeding, if you will file a petition, the court will order the arrest. The subject of the arrest will have the opportunity to answer, and then the court will have the opportunity also present evidence. The court will have the opportunity to weigh the evidence, and then issue the ruling. For example, in the case of Mark Jimenez, he had more or less over a year to dispute his extradition. So if that would be the standard, that might be considered reasonable opportunity to be heard.
So yung sinasabi nila na nakasyam, 10 oras na nag-iintay, talagang panay pa rin ang tutol, hindi sapat na panahon yun. Kasi magpipila ka pa ng kaso, magdadraft ka pa ng petition, dadalhin mo pa. Hindi po ba? So hindi pa rin sapat kahit sabihin natin matagal sila nandun sa airport.
I will just be consistent with what I wrote, Your Honor. My initial view was yes, 6 hours, office hours, or less, 5 hours, to seek relief from the courts may not be characterized as reasonable opportunity to be heard. Of course, that is disputable. That's just my personal opinion with limited facts. I'm sure the officers concerned have good reasons, and that can easily be disputed in court. Thank you.
Yes, para sa amin medyo mabigat nga yung 4-5 oras na bukas ang korte, no? Kasi hindi naman pwede yung hating gabi at hindi naman bukas pa. Talagang alam natin itong mga extradition at kung ano-ano